started with an idea.
What's good, everybody? My name is Modi, this is ModiMakes, and today I'm going to be getting back into making another custom painted skateboard. That's right. It's been a little while since I've done a custom painted skateboard, and this one is going to be the first one that I've ever made in my blue meanies style, so I'm very excited about it because it could be my favorite one yet. This one is a piece entitled Liberty. And it's entitled that because A, it was inspired by the Statue of Liberty, and B, because it's just a simple commentary on how not everyone in the home of the free is free, and the irony involved in that situation. It was also inspired by a sketch that I had made in my notebook when I was just doodling that I randomly made one day, and I really liked how it turned out, so I wanted to turn it into a full painting and see what I could make of it. And so, with all that out of the way, let's get into it, shall we? there you have it, my peoples. Liberty is complete. Man, it's sad to think that that's probably the only context that I'll ever hear that phrase be uttered. But what you gonna do? That's another skateboard for me in my collection. That's the 5th one I've done so far. And you know, I'm not sure if it's my favorite one. I don't know if it beats out the dinosaur board for me, but I am really happy with how it turned out. I like the character, I like the composition, and I like all the colors. I think it works out really well. But let me know what you guys think of the piece down in the comments below. And let me know if you have any questions about this video or any other video that I've done, or any comments of things that you would like to see me do in the future. And you know, if you like the video, go ahead and give me a like. That would be amazing. And if you like me, you like the channel, and you want to help support me, then the #1 thing that you can do is to subscribe. I really can't thank you enough if you do. It means everything to me. And with all that out of the way, and without further ado, let's get into those final shots, shall we? Found that I liked out a lot. Well, it was also, it was mainly, with all that out of the way, and without further ado, oh wait, no, that's for the final shots. What am I doing? So, I think that's probably the only what you gonna do?
Thanks for watching.